It's a business of Facebook group, so I teach the psychology that sits behind Facebook.
Sounds like the kind of group I'd like to be part of.
If you look at Facebook's interests when you've typed in landscaping, what it does is it takes all of the pages that are landscaping related, and it will target those people. So it's a bit hit and miss. Whereas if you know that they like the Adelaide Football Club, Betfair, Luxbet, Russell Quote, UBet, because you've done your research and you know that that's what they like, cut out the middleman and go straight.
So if we were trying to sell something like I Love My Crows, you'd just target the Adelaide Football Club.
Correct.
Like a shirt. Because you know that that's it.
Correct.
But where we're a bit more ambiguous or vague because we're selling irrigation and we're trying to work out, firstly, who's the avatar? Is it the landscaper that we're chasing, or is it the mum that wants to buy new garden lighting, or is it the dad that wants to buy some sprinklers because he's damaged them? So it's all those.
Yeah.